what's up bitches? Welcome back to another travel vlog, and it's me again, Linsky. So for today's guys, we are here at Strawberry Farm in Baguio City. So I'm gonna show you that big strawberry right there. So, Strawberry Farm. It's just too early. So, and the weather is just raining and my fog. So, I'm gonna tour you around later. Stay tuned. So, this is the Strawberry Farm located in the town of La Trinidad, Benguet, Philippines, primarily used for the cultivation of strawberries. The farm is also open for tourism, that's why we are here right now. The La Trinidad Strawberry Farm is a destination for tourists visiting the town of La Trinidad. According to the Benguet Tourism Office, the Strawberry Farm is the most visited tourist destination in the province. And this is owned and maintained by the Benguet State University. So let's take a closer look to the strawberry farms. By the way, this is not the harvest time for the strawberry, so you won't see any strawberries right there. We just wanted to show you guys how it looks like, okay? And of course, you shouldn't miss this amazing pasalubong that they are selling here right beside the farm. So we have strawberries, strawberry jams, some kind of foods, locally made products or locally made food, so peanuts. We have coffee. We also have crinkles with different flavors, strawberry jams, locally made wines. So there's a lot of wines. They have strawberry wines and any other kind of jams. So yep, you can get this here.
A few moments later.
So hey guys, welcome back. So we're already here at the second destination kasi pumunta kami ng church kanina and it's still closed kasi 8 a.m. pa yung bukas. So we go directly here. It's a 100 steps paakyat pero hindi namin ginawa yun. So look at that guys. Alright, there, that one. Lourdes. And ayan din, pababa. So pababa siya doon. Let's go downstairs. And there's still a lot more stairs up there. So I'm just gonna take a look at what we have here. And it's cold guys, it's cold. It's freaking cold. As you can see, I'm wearing shorts. I'm wearing shorts kasi pag galing kaming Manila, it's hot. I wear long sleeves. Pero pagdating dito, this is not enough. Look guys, may fog. Kanina pa may fog eh. Hindi na nga namin makita oh. It's so foggy. Foggy, foggy, foggy. Baka umakyat yung iba dun. Mirador Heritage and Eco Spiritual Park. That's the name. Dala-dala akong tarp. Ang ganda. It is so amazing. So the gardens of Mirador Heritage and Eco Spiritually Park. Oh, Ayun yung grotto. It's so foggy. Going back to the van. Balik na. Tapos nang mag-picture-picture. Ang dalawang to. My shoes are wet. Bye. Slippers. So you can go inside, guys, of this one. So meron na siyang entrance fee. Kapag pumasok ka dito, there's an entrance fee. I think it's, I don't know, maybe it's 100 pesos. Oh, the rain is coming. The rain is coming. I can't see anything. See, guys, you can't see anything down there now kasi it's so foggy. Look at that. That's our van. Hindi na siya makita kasi it's so labo. Going back to the van. Alright guys, so we're here right now at Diplomat Hotel at Baguio City. So as you can see, look at the place. So the history of this Diplomat Hotel is they said that US military way back before, they stayed here in this place, and this was actually featured Jessica Soho's a TV show in the Philippines. Yung sinasabi nila na meron daw dito. Palto. Sabi nila meron daw dito palto. So let's check it out. Pag picture kayo, magsabi lang kayo sa akin para picturean ko kayo. Huwag kayong mag-isa-isa. So, hahanapin natin kung saan yung we're gonna ghost hunting today. Ghost hunting today. Here at Diplomat Hotel. Oh gosh. So, this is probably one of their comfort rooms. Sinasabi nila. Let's go dito sa top. Take care kasi madulas. We can go here. Ghost hunting. So alright, so we're here sa rooftop. Di pa ba rooftop to? Let's go sa rooftop tayo, guys. Rooftop. Oficina del Conserje. Oficina del Conserje. So that's office, conference room, maybe. I don't know. So this is the view right here, guys, at the rooftop. As you can see, yeah, my rooftop shop. And I'm gonna make 360. Ah! Oh shit, nahilo ako. Oh my gosh, nahilo ako. Alright. So, that's the view down. Let's check the view. Sa baba. Oh, there. It's still raining, guys. It's still raining. Ayan yung view sa baba, oh. So, this is 1, 2, 3-story building, hotel. Wala namang multo. Hindi pa sana makakita ng multo. Wala. Picture pa sila dun sa baba. This is another fountain.